How to journal your trades. First of all, you will have to open your internet browser. As for me here, I'm using Google Chrome. Then in your Google Chrome, you'll put in #Forex UK. Then you'll be brought to this page. You select #Forex Uganda. Then this website will open. We are having here risk management. You click on risk management. We're having remedy tools of risk management. So I want to journal. I'll click on journal your trades. I'll scroll down, tap here to journal. You will be taken to the trading journal. Then you click on journal trades. This is where you'll get your journal from. You'll get the pair, you'll get the pips, you'll get the session, you'll get the chart before and chart after. The chart before, you go to trading view, copy the link, then you come and paste it here on the chart before. You also do the same thing for the chart after. That is how we journal our trades.